Hey, we matching with our hair right now, cuz.
Now that's
Hey,
that's what I like to see, nigga.
You got rid of that stripper so motherfucking fast.
Ooh, woo. Boy, I tell you, I'm not gonna see. The thing is, I'm not playing no games with a bitch, man.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't no pimp, but I tell you right now, I ain't gonna bullshit around with you.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
You gonna tell me straight? You see how straight my tie is?
It's as straight as a motherfucking sex.
You gonna tell me straight off? And I ain't gonna play no bullshit with you.
Nah, you bet not.
Mm-hmm. What you got going on, player?
You know I'm out here in the A shooting this movie, cuz out here doing my thing.
Okay. You know I'm in Atlanta too.
I got a birthday in 2 days, cuz we need to do something. We need to celebrate, cuz I need to pull up.
You still gonna be in Atlanta?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up on you. I'll come see you.
See, nigga be lying. I
ain't one of them young rappers, nigga. I'm gonna tell you what it is, nigga. Everything I said I was gonna do, we done did, nigga. This is me.
Okay.
Hey, come on, man.
Hey, Snoop.
What up?
I can still get down crib.
On crib, nigga. You.
This up. Hey, Hey, y'all heard it. Hey, y'all heard it. Y'all heard it now. Y'all heard it from the biggest. We Gucci. Yeah. Well, as long as I'm co-signed by, by the biggest. Hey, man, I shouldn't have no problems out here, should I? Shouldn't have no problems. Now let's get some youngsters in here who's hungry. I got y'all. Okay. Oh, I see. Let's see. Okay. Angela. All right. Maybe we don't get Angela in here, but we'll see. We got some good talent coming in here. Y'all stay in here. Yeah, everybody request to join right now. If you want to get on Could Have Been, y'all request to join right now. You want to get on Could Have Been, request to join right now. Oh, yeah.
My brother.
Oh, yeah.
What's happening, my brother?
What's going on, nigga?
What I need to do?
Man, pop your shit, man. What you got on right now, man? Let's see what you got on, nigga.
Man, I just got on the real, man. Look like Jesus, man.
Ooh. What you got on your feet, nigga?
Oh, some Uggs.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Yeah, I got to show you some Uggs slide. This one, little Uggs slide.
Stand up in them hoes, man. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up in them hoes, man. Show them what the fuck going on, nigga. They get the full body camera going, nigga. Get the full body, nigga.
Hey, fuck all that. What I need to do, Drew? What I need to do?
You got freestyle something to get on, man.
Drew, you know I can't rap. Drew, you know they ain't letting me in. Drew. You know they ain't letting me in, Drew.
Come on,
Drew,
man.
Drew, you the only nigga that believe in me, Drew.
Hey, look, man. You the biggest in it, man.
For sure, my brother. You know, you brought my country up to Popeye. You don't even remember you brought my country up to Popeye. Yeah.
Well, I remember, nigga.
Yeah, you brought my country up to Popeye. Yeah.
Yeah.
You brought my country up to Popeye.
Really rich for real.
Yeah, for shitty. Yeah.
These things don't know that.
Yeah, for shitty. You know what I'm saying? So I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm just ready for my country.
Okay.
My country.
How does 99.1% sound?
It sounds perfect. What I need to do when I sound.
Pretty much, we keep 99, you keep 1, and then we'll write on. I'll DM you the whole shit now.
I just want to be around greatness. That's all it mean. That's it.
Hey man,
deal's done. I don't want to do nothing but be around greatness, man.
Hey, look, the deal's done.
A lot of these dumb ass niggas sign for nothing anyway. So shit, I might. You know what I'm saying? They sign for nothing anyway.
Hey, why not? Why
Yeah,
not?
but shit, yeah. They signed for nothing anyway. I might as well do the same. So shit, what we
Hey,
do?
man, I'm going to DM you the shit right now. We do 99%, 1%
I don't even
your
need no
way.
melanin. I don't even need no melanin, Drew.
Oh, you don't need shit.
Yeah, come
You
on.
don't need shit.
Yeah, come on, send my country.
99 my way, 1% your way, man. We'll talk.
Thank you, my brother.
All right, brother. No problem. Woo, getting over is sweet, ain't it? Good God Almighty, these boys don't know shit about no deal, do they? God damn. Okay, everybody request to join, man. Let's see what we got. We're gonna do 2 more, and then we up out of here. We're gonna do 2 more. We done had some crazy shit happen tonight. Holy fuck. Let's see who else. Oh, y'all gonna like this one. Y'all gonna like this one. Y'all gonna like this one. Okay. Yep.
Yo,
What's good, bro?
what's going?
Let me see your face, man.
God damn, you gay or something? I'm trying to see my face. It's
I
supposed
just
to be a
want to
talent show.
I just want to see who I'm talking to, brother.
What's going?
What's good, man?
Where you from?
Where you from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
What you be doing?
Everything.
I feel that. Can you set the camera up so we can talk to you?
All right, hold on. Let me get there.
Don't hang up on us, man.
Nah, I got you, gang. I got you.
Set the camera up, man.
Damn.
You rap, you sing, you do any of that?
Hey, yeah. I got some artists, too.
All right, set the camera up, man, so I can know who I'm talking to, bro. You got all that bullshit, old ass furniture in there. Well,
Hey, he trying to do that.
no, I'm just saying, you got your grandma furniture in there, nigga. You might as well
Hey,
say,
you right. You know exactly where I'm at. Okay, then.
oh, I know.
He know.
I see that furnace. Nigga look like a damn furnace you said. Come on, set up the phone so we can see who
Man,
you is.
everybody do their stuff like this. I'm chilling like that.
Come on, bro.
Damn.
Just show us who you is, man.
Huh?
See, he about to get off. Too scared, man. Y'all ruining it, man. This is an opportunity. I really don't give out this type of shit for real. I normally don't do this type of stuff, but when I do, you know, I like to, you know, give back to the community. So let's see what it is, y'all. What's up?
Oh my God.
Can we see your face, Shawty?
Yay.
I bet.
Yay.
I like your hair.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I've been trying to get on here all night.
What's your name?
My name Lay.
Lay?
Lay, yeah, my name Lay.
All right, back the phone up so we can see it propped up.
Let me prop it up. Man, I've been trying to get on here all night.
I know that's right. All right. So what you do?
I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing.
Where your parents at? Can I talk to your parents?
Nobody here with me.
Huh?
Ain't nobody here with me.
You lying.
I ain't lying.
So how could you help Could Have Been Records?
Cause I'm finna get on here and shake my ass. You need some shakers.
How old are you?
See, I'm 30.
Girl, you ain't shaking shit. we ain't doing minors. I'll tell you that right now. Shake what, bitch? Call your damn mama. Be damned. I ain't doing that. The fuck? Y'all request to join, man. Request to join.
Yo.
What's good, brother?
What's up, man?
What's y'all names?
Jacob.
Brandon? Let me talk to Brandon, man. Give him a headphone.
He already got it.
Where y'all at?
It ain't Atlanta at all. It's Woodstock. You know Woodstock.
Suck a dick, boy. Don't give a fuck. All right, let's get somebody in here who's really gonna participate and trying to join the label. We didn't do this shit for no reason tonight, guys. All right. Let's see. Okay. We got somebody who really wants to be in here.
What's up, brother?
No fucking way. All right. That was quick. A whole bunch of bullshit is joining now. We need to go out with a bang, y'all. We can't just go out like this. We gotta go out with a bang. I'll be damn when we get off till we go out with a bang.
Yes, sir.
What you do?
Hey, man, we doing hip hop opera, man.
Is that right?
Yeah, man, I'm a hip hop opera artist. I'm from New Jersey. I got a little something for you.
All right, let's hear it.
All right. Brand new whip is foreign. Come through when it's scoring. You ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous. I damn near did it. Perfect. Work hard and determined to say I earned it. Whoa. None of you guys get fly as me. Whoa.
Hey.
Yeah.
That's one of those things I really don't like, man.
Yeah.
When people don't take the label seriously.
What you mean?
I don't condone with you stupid fucks who don't take the label seriously.
I'm serious, man. I'm just trying to get on. It's like, it's been a dream of mine. You know what I'm saying? Hip hop opera is a new genre. I'm trying to start something new. Something, bring something hard to the table.
What you do for a job, man?
I'm a construction worker.
I can smell it on you, nigga. You live with your parents?
Yeah. At the time.
Can I talk to one of them real quick?
Oh, there ain't nobody here though.
You lying.
Why I gotta be lying for, man?
Go to their room and prove it.
Ain't nobody. They're not here.
Go in there.
The door locked.
Why?
Hey, come on, man. I'm trying to get on, man. I need it.
To your parents' room.
No, they're not here. I can't go in there.
Right now. How old are you?
91.
For real, how old are you?
91.
You a bitch, man.
Yo, damn, man.
For real, he's a bitch. I don't like that dude, bro. For real. He playing with the label's money. All that type shit. That's. I don't condone that. I don't condone shit like that. I don't like that. We got people who are in here trying to break themselves trying to get in here. You hear me? We got people who are losing their mind to get in this damn thing. And you playing with it like that?
Morty.
What's up, brother?
Bro, what's good?
Can you cut the lights on?
Yeah. I literally just sat in bed. I didn't think you would accept me. I was about to go to sleep.
Cut the lights on, brother.
What's good, brother?
Oh, man. I cannot wait to do this. Okay. What's your name?
Nico.
Nico? Can you crop it down so I can see your whole face? How old are you?
21.
21. I respect that. You sing, rap, or do you like do anything?
I play soccer, but fun.
Who's with you in the house right now?
No one.
You sure of that?
Mm-hmm. Why are you laughing like that?
You don't get
Bend
it
up your
yet.
body like Beckham. Shut up, go get 'em. Shut your mouth and then get 'em. Jig your back and get up. Bend up. Baby girl, come bend up. Bend up. Baby girl, come bend up. Hop in the Range Rover. You sober. Baby girl, come over. She's over. Oh my gosh, and I get it. She get it. Rest in peace, Black Panther. Black Panther. Rest in peace, Black Panther. That's my man. Shut your fucking mouth. You was stupid. Connie dyed his hair. For every time he died, Druski dyed his hair. For every time he cried. When he worked out. But my boy put in that work. Shut your mouth and then twerk. Baby girl, come and grow.
Stop. You got us losing viewers, man. For real. You suck dick at rapping. For real. You suck dick. But I tell you what, you got curly hair like Jack Harlow. You got some type of potential in this, you know. You got some type of potential.
I said, girl, what's your name, yeah? Girl, where you from, yeah? I'm shining like a star in the sky. I'm shining like a star in the sky, yeah.
All right. Hey. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I tell you what, man. You don't have too much hope with us, but what else do you do good?
I'm a great athlete. I could play for the could have been, should have been superstars.
All right. So hook your phone up. Do a 40-yard dash wherever you're at right now. Let me see how fast you are. Put your phone up.
My phone up real quick.
Let me see how fast. Is that a blow-up bed?
Yeah, this is my air mattress.
Shut the fuck up. All right, just run. Go.
I got you. Hold up.
All right. Stop. All right, hold on. Stop. Let me get a high knees. Okay.
Put me in, coach.
Let me get 20 push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5. This nigga humping the ground, man. All right, let me get some sit-ups, man. Let's see it. Let me get some sit-ups, baby. There you go. Hey, come here. Lay down towards the camera. The other way.
Hey, motherfucker.
Lay down where your face is right here.
Yo, big ass should be doing the one doing all this.
Lay down where your face is right here. I just want to talk to you. You think you got what it takes to be down here at the label?
Yes, sir. I can get you right, Druski. I can help you lose the weight too. I'm more than an artist. I'm more than an athlete. We're gonna be great together, Druski. I feel it. I really do feel it.
I'm gonna keep it real with you, man. Have you fucked anything on that air mattress?
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Could have been.
Have you fucked anything on that air mattress?
Maybe. Yes, sir.
Now, as we continue to talk, I want to hear nothing but yes, sirs from you.
Yes, sir. And these are my blinds.
Is that a trash bag?
Yes, sir.
You need help, man?
Not good. I'm doing great.
It's just a one-bedroom apartment or what?
Nah, just moved into house.
Who else is living with you at this house, man?
My dad, but he had his girl crib.
That's what's up. You Mexican? It had nothing to do with anything, guys. I just wanted to ask that. Yeah, we'll do like 2 more and then we're out of here, huh? We'll do 2 more. My prisoners, guys, I'm sorry. The prisoners I had, I don't know what happened. I think it must have been a shakedown, man. Sad shit, bro. Ooh. Yo,
What's the deal, guy?
can I see you? Where you at?
Oh, yeah, hold up. Let me turn the camera around. Turn it around this way. I'm flipping it around right now. Hold up. I got you. Can you
Yo,
see
I
me
can't
now?
see you, man.
There you
No.
go.
Oh, yeah, I see you now.
You saw the
You
fam?
was in prison, wasn't you?
No, I wasn't. I've been in there, but not recently. I've been out.
I know somebody who know you.
Yeah. What's the name?
You're getting nervous, ain't you?
Just saying, one of them boys. You feel me? Okay, you gotta watch. You know what I mean? Streets is real. Streets
You
is
gotta watch
real,
your back.
man.
I
Hey,
keep
streets
seeing
is
you watch your
real.
back. You look
Hey,
like you always watch your back.
hey, you got to, man. You know what I'm saying? Got to keep your head on the swivel. Feel me?
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, guess what else?
I like what you do, though, man. You feel me? For sure. I respect it. I appreciate it.
Hey, and guess what else they say in prison?
What they say?
Stay sucker free.
Got to. You feel me? You know what I mean?
What you
Real
thought I
talk.
was gonna say? Protect your butt.
Nah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I thought you was gonna try to do what I'm saying, but nah, you ain't. I know you ain't that type though. I know you
I ain't
for
gonna
sure
do
ain't gonna
that.
sex play a
I
nigga
ain't
like
gonna
that.
do that.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do that.
You hear me? Yeah, we ain't doing all that. Yeah, we ain't doing all that.
Hey,
Yeah,
how many years
that's
you
right.
did? How many years you did?
I did 32 months, probably like 2.5.
For what? What'd you do?
Forgery. Forgery.
You can come down to the label.
You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Hey, we can make some big things. Look, numbers. Hey, crunching numbers. You feel me? Hey, man. We ain't gonna say no more.
I'm gonna send your ass back to prison because I'll be damned if you bring that here. You're not doing that.
Look, we ain't doing all that. Look, no, we ain't.
Shut up, nigga, because I caught you. Red-handed, bitch. You did 30 fucking months, and you already trying to go back. Look at him. He bit the bait. You biting the bait. He bit the bait that damn fast. I got one more. I ain't see. Y'all niggas do that damn much damn time in prison, and you still trying to go back, brother. Brother. Cold as ice, brother. All right, we're getting off here after this. Last one, y'all.
But then I was like, she's stuck in my mind.
What?
Oh, why are you calling me again?
You a bitch, nigga. One more, y'all. Sorry. We gotta go out with a finale. Son of a bitch. Oh, man. All right, we're getting off here after this, y'all. It's the final one. Woo! It's been a hell of a night, boys.
Oh God! Oh fucking God! Hey, this shit better act.
Yo!
Hey, this shit better act right. This shit better act right. Oh God!
What's up, man? Turn the lights on.
Man, my connection ass, bro. I don't know what the fuck going on.
Turn the lights on.
Man, hey, Druski, look, I was on the motherfucking Call of Duty with your man Freddie and shit. Your ass hopped on there with me. You get to talking shit.
Turn your lights on, man.
Turn my mic on.
Yeah,
My mic
turn your lights
on.
on.
This shit
don't know anybody named Freddie. What the fuck is she talking about? Last one, y'all. Last one. Last one. I'm going to just randomly scroll and pick the one that I think is best. I'm sorry. All right, this is the last one, y'all. Sorry. I'm being serious now. I'm sorry. All right. They counted us out. This is the last one, y'all. Phone on 1%.